Breaking analysis. Symbolic authority crisis threatens unity in liberation movements. By Anyi Kings, the Biafra Post. In a detailed new analysis published today, political commentator Anyi Kings warns that many liberation movements, including those fighting for self-determination, are quietly entering a dangerous phase known as the symbolic authority crisis. According to Kings, this crisis does not always involve loud public fights or visible splits. Instead, it develops silently when supporters start questioning who truly speaks for the cause, who holds legitimate authority, and which institutions still represent the original vision of the struggle. Key points from the analysis. What holds liberation movements together? Kings explains that beyond strategies or formal rules, movements survive through powerful symbols. Charismatic founding leaders, flags and slogans, martyrs and historical sacrifices, key institutions and communication platforms. These elements create emotional loyalty and psychological unity. When they are widely accepted, the movement remains strong. When their meaning or control is disputed, unity begins to fracture from the inside. How the crisis begins. The problem usually starts when multiple centers of legitimacy emerge. One faction claims authority from being closest to the original founder or vision. Another points to formal structures and continuity. Others emphasize sacrifices made on the ground in recent years. Supporters are then forced to choose. Who really represents the struggle? This question rarely has a quick answer, and the slow reshaping of loyalties can quietly weaken the entire movement. Real-world examples cited. Kings draws parallels from global history. African National Congress, ANC, during Apartheid, tensions repeatedly arose between the exiled leadership abroad and grassroots structures inside South Africa. Even though both wanted the same end, questions about who best represented the lived experience of oppressed South Africans created periodic internal strain. Palestine Liberation Organization, PLO. Different factions have at times claimed to be the authentic voice, some through armed struggle, others through diplomacy, and others through local resistance. These competing claims of legitimacy produced divisions that influenced major political decisions. In both cases, the external cause remained urgent, but internal debates over symbolic authority changed how the movements developed. Why this matters right now? Kings stresses that people join and sustain liberation struggles through emotion, identity, and belief. Not just policy documents. When the central symbols become contested, serious consequences follow. Loyalty shifts from the cause institution to specific personalities. Different groups tell conflicting versions of the same history. The moral clarity of the struggle becomes clouded by leadership disputes. External opponents gain openings to exploit the divisions. Most dangerously, the movement can appear normal on the surface, still issuing statements, organizing events, maintaining offices, while internal psychological unity quietly collapses. How successful movements survive this phase. Kings outlines 4 principles that help movements recover and stabilize. 1. Build strong institutions that can outlive any single leader. 2. Establish clear, transparent leadership structures. 3. Create accountability mechanisms that protect legitimacy, or maintain a shared narrative that always puts the cause above personalities. When these are in place, symbols become sources of unity rather than division. Final warning. Every liberation struggle eventually reaches a stage where the greatest challenge is not external opposition, but internal coherence, Kings concludes. The ability to manage symbolic authority becomes essential. Movements survive repression when they maintain unity of purpose, but when the meaning of their own symbols becomes disputed, they face a far more subtle and potentially more deadly challenge: the quiet erosion of legitimacy from within. The full analysis, titled Symbolic Authority Crisis in Liberation Movements, was published by the Biafra Post. This piece is being widely discussed for its relevance to ongoing self-determination struggles across the world.